Milk is one of the most important foods in the world. Billions of people drink it every day, whether it's in a glass, poured over cereal, or turned into cheese, yogurt, and ice cream. In fact, global milk consumption tops more than 800 million tons yearly. That's enough to fill about 320,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools. People rely on milk because it's packed with nutrients like calcium, protein, and vitamins, key building blocks for strong bones and healthy growth. Behind every carton of milk is a remarkable story of hard work, technology, and care. The world's largest dairy farms are like small cities, operating day and night to keep up with demand. These mega farms can house tens of thousands of cows, producing billions of liters of milk every year. Modern dairy farming combines old-fashioned animal care with cutting-edge tech to deliver safe, fresh milk to tables everywhere. Milk is also a cultural staple, showing up in recipes and traditions across the globe. From Indian chai to Italian gelato, milk connects people in ways few other foods can. It helps feed growing children, supports the elderly, and fuels athletes, making it a true food hero. Understanding how milk gets from cow to cup helps us appreciate the journey and the science behind every sip. Let's pull on our boots and step inside a mega dairy operation. The process is bigger, cleaner, and more high-tech than most people imagine. And it all starts long before the first drop of milk ever fills a bucket. Milk doesn't just appear out of nowhere. The journey actually begins with reproduction, long before milking starts. On the world's largest dairy farms, managing cow pregnancies is a massive task. Highly trained workers and veterinarians monitor breeding schedules, often using artificial insemination to ensure genetic health and steady milk supplies. Each cow must give birth to start producing milk, so calving, the process of a cow giving birth, is central to the farm's daily rhythm. Cows are carefully watched during pregnancy, often with the help of wearable sensors that track their movements and health signs. These sensors can alert staff when a cow is close to calving. Having healthy calves is important, not only for milk production but also for the future of the herd. Calving facilities are designed for comfort and safety, with soft bedding and plenty of space to move. After calving, both the mother and her newborn need special care. Workers check that the calf is breathing well and standing up. The mother's health is monitored closely, as she will soon begin her lactation cycle, the start of milk production. In large farms, dedicated calving teams work around the clock to help cows and calves through this critical stage. It's an impressive operation, combining animal husbandry skills with modern monitoring technology. Every healthy birth marks the beginning of a new chapter in the life of the farm, and another step in the journey of milk. Once a cow gives birth, her body starts to produce milk. This process is called lactation. In the first few days after calving, the milk is different. It's called colostrum. Colostrum is thick and yellowish, filled with antibodies and nutrients that protect the newborn calf from disease. Calves must drink this special milk within hours of birth to build up their immune systems. On the biggest dairy farms, workers make sure every calf gets enough colostrum. Sometimes, colostrum is collected and frozen to use later if a calf or cow needs extra help. This careful management helps reduce illness and ensures healthy animals. Colostrum is so important that many farms keep detailed records of how much each calf receives. After a few days, the cow's milk changes, becoming the white milk we're used to drinking. Now, she'll be milked regularly, usually 2 or 3 times a day. Each cow can produce 25 to 40 liters of milk daily. Multiply that by thousands of cows, and you start to see how these farms produce such vast quantities. The transition from colostrum to regular milk is carefully monitored. Both the quantity and quality of milk are tracked, ensuring high standards from the very first liters produced. Healthy cows produce more and better milk. That's why nutrition is a top priority on large dairy farms. Teams of animal nutritionists design special diets for every stage of a cow's life. These diets balance grains, silage, fermented grasses or corn, vitamins and minerals. Some farms even use computer programs to calculate the perfect mix for each herd. Feed is prepared in huge mixers, then delivered automatically to long feeding lines. Robotic feeders and conveyor belts make sure every cow gets her share, day and night. Clean water is always available. Cows can drink up to 150 liters daily, especially when producing a lot of milk. Regular meals and fresh water help cows stay healthy, energetic, and productive. Feed quality is checked constantly. Samples are tested for nutrients and freshness. If there's a problem, farm staff can adjust the recipe right away. This kind of precision and attention to detail means cows get exactly what they need. Good nutrition doesn't just support milk output, it also keeps cows comfortable and helps prevent disease. On these mega farms, feeding the herd is a science and an art. Keeping cows comfortable is not only the right thing to do, it's essential for producing top-quality milk. The world's largest dairies invest heavily in animal welfare. Cows relax in spacious, clean barns with soft bedding made from sand or recycled materials. These barns are designed for natural light and good airflow. Innovations abound. Rotating brushes are mounted on posts, letting cows scratch themselves whenever they want. A simple pleasure that promotes good health. Robotic barn cleaners sweep away manure several times a day, keeping walkways spotless and reducing stress. Some farms even install cooling fans and misting systems to keep cows cool in hot weather. Cows are also checked daily for any signs of illness or discomfort. Many wear electronic collars or ear tags that track their location, temperature, and even how much they chew. This real-time data helps workers spot problems early, so every cow gets the care she needs. When cows are happy and healthy, they give more milk. Modern farms know this, so they use technology and good old-fashioned kindness to keep their herds thriving. Milking thousands of cows every day would be impossible without automation. Enter the Rotary Parlor, a giant spinning platform where cows step on and off in a smooth cycle. Each cow stands in her own stall, and milking machines gently attach to her udder. The whole process is monitored by computers, which record how much milk each cow gives, and how quickly. Workers oversee the parlor, making sure everything runs smoothly. Automatic sprayers clean each cow's udder before milking to prevent germs. The milking machines use gentle suction, mimicking the way a calf would nurse. Cows are used to the routine and often seem relaxed, some even munching on snacks as they ride the carousel. Every milking session is logged. Data is sent to farm computers, helping managers spot trends or catch early signs of health problems. For example, if a cow's milk drops suddenly, it might be time for a checkup. This high-tech system means more milk, less stress, and a safer product for everyone down the line. As soon as it leaves the cow, milk begins a carefully controlled journey. Flexible tubes carry the warm milk from the milking machine to a central collection point. The first stop is usually a filter, which catches any dirt or stray hairs. Cleanliness is the top priority. Any contamination could spoil thousands of liters. Next, the milk flows into refrigerated stainless steel tanks. These tanks are massive, able to hold tens of thousands of liters at a time. Inside, the temperature drops quickly to about 4 degrees Celsius, or 39 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooling the milk fast keeps it fresh and stops bacteria from growing. Sensors constantly check the temperature and cleanliness of the tanks. If anything goes wrong, alarms alert staff right away. Every batch of milk is sampled and labeled, creating a traceability record that follows it all the way to the store shelf. It's a race against time and germs, one that the world's biggest dairies win every day with technology and strict routines. When the refrigerated tanks are full, it's time to move the milk off the farm. Special tanker trucks arrive, designed to keep milk cold and clean during the ride. Each truck is washed and sanitized before every pickup. Drivers pump milk from the farm tanks into their sealed containers, collecting samples for future testing. Once at the dairy plant, the milk goes through a battery of tests, checking for bacteria, antibiotics, fat content, and more. Only milk that passes every test is allowed to move forward. If something isn't right, the whole batch is rejected to keep consumers safe. Quality control doesn't stop there. At every step, samples are taken and records are kept. This traceability means that if a problem is ever found, it's easy to track milk back to its source and fix the issue quickly. Safe transport and strict testing are the final hurdles before milk is ready for the last stage processing and packaging. The final step in this epic journey happens at the dairy plant. Here, milk is pasteurized, heated just enough to kill harmful bacteria without changing the taste. Some milk is also treated with ultra-high temperature processing, allowing it to stay fresh for months without refrigeration. Both methods make sure milk is safe and long-lasting. After pasteurization, the milk moves to aseptic packaging. Machines fill cartons or bottles in sterile environments, sealing them tight to keep out air and germs. Every package is stamped with a date and batch number for tracking. Some plants even add vitamins or adjust fat content, making low-fat or enriched versions for different markets. Finished packages go through one last quality check before being boxed up for delivery. Trucks, trains, and ships carry milk to stores around the world, often within just a few days of leaving the farm. Supermarkets, schools, and restaurants rely on this smooth supply chain to keep their shelves stocked. From cow to cup, milk travels a long, carefully managed road, one that combines tradition, science, and a whole lot of teamwork.